It's 7 in the morning. I'm just putting it out there.
It's not that I don't want you here.
Welcome back to my channel. This is not going to be a very long video. So basically I'm packing, and I explained that in another vlog. I don't know if that was going to come before or after this one, but I've shot so many videos this week I've lost count. So I'm packing, and I wanted to do a whole video of me decluttering and packing all of my products, like all of my perfume, all of my hair care, all of my body care, body wash, everything, skincare, face care. I want to pack everything. I'm really decluttering because I'm traveling and I can't travel with all of these things, and also at the same time I don't want to, because there's some things that there's like this much left in the bottle. So I'm just going to give that away, or I'm going to throw it away if it's expired. I'm not sure. That's what's happening. That's what I'm doing today. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay. Y'all see that I'm braiding my hair, and I've only done 2 braids. I'm going to tuck that right into the bonnet. So when I pack my stuff, I usually put them in this duffel bag. And yeah, but they never actually fit. I don't usually fit all of my products in here. So what I do is the stuff that doesn't fit, I put in a plastic bag, or I put it somewhere, usually in a plastic bag, and then I just put them, or in a cosmetics bag, and then I just kind of like stuff them into my luggage. My room is crazy messy right now because I'm packing, but by the end of today it's literally going to be empty. I think let's start in the bathroom, because that's where I have a few products that I am just not taking with me. So yeah, let's start there.
It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
So this is the stuff that I have in the bathroom. I know it's messy, but I don't even have storage containers for this bathroom because I didn't think it was necessary to buy them. This is like body washes and shampoo, conditioner, hand wash, face wash, or face scrub rather, that I use the most. And yeah, these 3 I think are coming with me. So what I did, I actually mixed turmeric with one of my body scrubs. I'm probably gonna make another body scrub today, like from scratch. These are the sorbet body scrubs. I don't know if I can say yet that it's been doing anything to my skin. Maybe I'm not really looking into it enough, and I'm also not being consistent enough, but yeah. Then I also have these 2. They seem a little empty. Let me see how much I have left. Okay, no, so I've still got a good amount of product in this one. This one is the balancing body scrub. It smells amazing. It literally smells like men's cologne. And then I've got a good amount of product in here as well. Girl, I don't know how I haven't finished these yet. So that's really strange. I just got another body scrub from Also Heavenly. I'm so excited to use that one. This, I don't know. I don't think it's coming with me. There's literally like 2 drops left. I might just use it in the shower today and then never use it again, or just throw it away. I'm not going to use it anymore. There's literally nothing left. Obviously that's coming with me. This, I think I'm going to have to throw this away. I use this as a femme wash instead of actually buying feminine wash. It's really, really good because it's also for sensitive skin. It's baby skin, but there's like also 2 drops left. So yeah, I might just use this today and then throw it away. This definitely keeping. This I think I'm gonna give away, so I'll just put that there. This I think I'm gonna give away as well. There's literally just a little bit left. I'm not gonna use this again. It served its purpose. It's been an amazing body wash, but I'm gonna give that away. This is still full and I love lavender, so I'm gonna keep that. This is actually expired, so I'm not gonna use that. That's just gonna be thrown away. This is expired as well. I'm just gonna throw that away. And then I have a conditioner that obviously I'm keeping, shampoo that I'm also keeping, This body wash, I just can't give it up, so I'm keeping it. And this body wash as well, there's still so much left, so obviously I'm gonna keep that. This stuff I'm gonna keep, even though it's just a few drops left, but I'm gonna keep it. And then there's the turmeric that I told you guys about. Don't worry, I don't use this in the kitchen at all, so yeah, it's in the bathroom. So I'm gonna take the things that I'm keeping and I'm gonna go put them in my room, and then I'll come back. Let me start by throwing away these two products actually. I'm most likely going to use this neem mask today when I shower. I have not taken a shower. By the way, it's 7 in the morning. I'm just putting it out there. It is 7 in the morning. I don't know why I'm filming so early today. I'm just going to put down the products that I'm going to use today. And then the other stuff, I'm just going to throw them away and keep the other things. So this is what we have going on here. I might just give this away, because why do I need like almost a full bottle of hand wash when there's hand wash at home? So actually I'm just gonna, guys, I wanted to show you this thing that I just got. Look at that. It stores so many things on there. This would have initially been for perfume, but I ordered something for my perfumes. And anyway, this thing is actually quite big. It stores a lot of the stuff. Some of my deodorant at the front. I've got a bunch of body mists. Actually, it's just basically body mists. And I only just put this in this morning so that I could see what it looks like when I actually, you know, put this on. I got this rotating tray from Clicks, by the way. It was 70 Rand in case anybody wants to go and get this. It's super cheap. And then I have body lotions back there that I would probably put on here, and then keep some body mists that I don't use as much, and like some deodorants that I don't use as much, because I don't use this that much. I don't use this that much. I actually just use these 3 deodorants. I've also got room mist somewhere on here that I'll probably keep in front, and then at the back I'd have body lotions, and then whenever I need my lotion, I just, you know, rotate. I'm actually obsessed with organizing videos on TikTok, and I noticed that a lot of the girls had rotating organizers. I was like, why have I never bought that? Yeah. And then I have some body wash back there that I don't want to give up, but yeah. And then up here I have basically hair products. Let me say hair products up here. And then these are kind of like reject products that I need but don't really need. So yeah, let us start decluttering. I'm gonna start by taking all the things that are on here off, and then I'm gonna put them on the bed, because I would usually start with like body wash and then body lotion, and then I would start moving on to like the smaller things, the body mist and stuff. Let us begin.
I know I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something. Should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on.
Y'all, okay guys, this is what we're working with for now. Ignore that stuff. I've got a box, I've got something that I still need to pack there, and a bag. But yeah, this is what we're working with. It looks like a lot, but it is a lot. I don't know how I'm supposed to pack all of these things. So I think we'll start with perfume, because I usually put my perfume in a cosmetics bag. Just put that in my luggage. These things, all these things, everything needs to go in there. And then there's that box over there that I'm putting stuff that I'm not going to take with me, so that I'm just going to give away. My friend is going to come tonight, so I'm probably just going to give that to her. I'm looking at these things and I'm like, when did I become this person? Why do I need all of these things? And best believe I use every single one of them. I don't want any of you coming for me, telling me that I'm hoarding. I use everything. So I'm gonna put a bunch of my perfumes in here. I'll just put the ones that I will not be using at all until I go home. And let me just say this. When it comes to perfume, I'ma buy it. I don't even have nearly as many as the girls that I watch on YouTube. And the fact that perfume is so expensive, that's why I buy so many body mists. Okay, this is excessive. But that's why I buy so many body mists. I can layer them with the perfumes that I already have. Okay, so now that I've done that, I can start packing. I will start with body wash, and then I'll move on to body lotion, and then I'll move on to body scrub, and then I'll start packing body mists, and then whatever doesn't fit, I will just kind of like stuff them into my luggage. Anyways, what I usually do, I'm gonna play some music, and I cannot get copyrighted, so enjoy this time lapse.
The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other me. With what you're going through, I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. Together, I'm telling you, it's true. I wanna be down.
You guys, this is easily 10 kgs. The bag that I put all of these things in never ever goes overweight. Guys, there's so much. Oh, crap. And I still have more things. And then these are the things that I'm just gonna leave. This is what I've managed to declutter. And by the way, I did declutter last week and I actually gave away some products, but I figured that it wasn't enough. So yeah, I'm letting go of all these. I love this stuff. It smells so good, but it's terrible. Like, I hate the fact that it comes in this bottle because it's so hard to get out of the damn bottle. You could literally just do this. And you see that? It takes ages to get any of the product out. I don't even really take baths. Like, I don't sit in the tub ever. I always take showers. The last time that I tried to do this, I was just so put off. I'm just gonna give it away to somebody who might like have more patience than I do. This is what I've managed to pack so far. I know it looks like a lot of things. That's because it is. I won't lie and say it's not a lot of stuff. I know that it's a lot of stuff, and I know that I'm a little crazy for having so many products, but it is what it is. I can't even start like rummaging through it because I'm gonna ruin the shape, and then it's gonna be hard for me. This is what I hate about traveling with products. Things start opening. But yeah, I can't start rummaging through this because then it's gonna lose its shape. It's gonna be difficult for me to close. This thing is so full. It's fuller than usual. This thing is packed, and I'm not even done shopping. That's the thing. I literally almost always pay for excess luggage. What I hate about these suitcases is the fact that just the fact that you can't fit nearly enough stuff in here. Like, it's big, but then the moment that you put stuff in there and you try to close it, it's such a struggle, and I really hate that. I also have more things here. I've left these things out because I need to use them today and tomorrow, and then I still have some things up here that I need to figure out how I'm gonna pack them. This is so much, so many things. I have not had to pack and completely get rid of everything in my room in so long, so I'm just so stressed. Okay, yeah, so I packed basically what I needed to pack in this video, and yeah, I thought I was gonna film for a little bit longer, but I still have so many things to do today. In fact, I also need to film more videos. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know it hasn't been long. I think it's been a pretty short video, and I will see you guys in the next video.
It's not that I don't